Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brendo, and I teach beginners how to play piano confidently for their church. Today we're learning Call God by Elevation Worship. Let's get straight into it. So this song is in the key of C major. Woohoo! So the introduction goes like this. So left hand, F, D, C. Right hand. So all together, 2, 3, 4. All right, verse.
What if I told you the reason you can't play what you hear in your head has nothing to do with talent, but has everything to do with these 12 foundational building blocks you were never taught on piano? You know the basics, but when it's time to lead worship, your confidence disappears. It's not because you didn't practice, it's because you were never taught to think of piano this way. Imagine sitting down, playing smoothly, and supporting worship without fear or second guessing. Well, I created a step-by-step piano course that actually works. Beginners are playing for worship teams based on what I teach in these 12 videos. You'll learn to actually play in worship settings, even if you've never played in church before. This is built for real worship moments, not piano recitals. Click the link to finally start playing piano confident.
Oh, how sweet to trust you, Jesus. Okay, so this is our C major. When I hit our F, it's going to be in the right hand, B, A. Now this line right here, when I hit this E is do, 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 do. F major, G major. Let's keep going. Okay, so that is the first verse. That takes us to the chorus. So the chorus sounds like this. That's a lot, right? Okay, so here we go. First chord, C, to the 2 chord, D minor 7. Here's our 1/3 chord that we talked about. 4, again, the 2, 3, 4. Then we jump to the 6. Every time, so da 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 da. Just a walk down. And then here's the interlude. Verse 2. Here's our 6. Chorus. All right, moving on. All right, so before we get to that bridge, we have the interlude, right? So what I'm doing, left hand is staying right here on this C chord, which is our 1. Right hand, just like the introduction. 1, walk down to the A. Right, same thing. And this is the actual bridge right here until it changes. So here's the change. It's gonna go now to 2 now, 3. So now I'm walking up from 1, 2, 3 to the 4. Same thing in the right hand, right? Then we go back into the chorus. After the chorus, bridge again, bridge, and then that's pretty much the end of the song. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Again, my name is Brendo, and I teach beginners how to play piano confidently for their church. If that's you, go ahead and click on the link in the description to learn more.